console gamers.
This
Stop wasting your
Build a
time.
computer so you can play whatever game you want. So you're gonna go on whatever website you want, and you're gonna type in minimum specs, and then whatever game you want, right? And you're just gonna pick it. Like I play Fortnite, I'm gonna go for Fortnite. Well, okay, well Windows 10, sure. So Windows 10, you need that, and you need that, and you need that. It's gonna say everything. Like for example, let's go to Fortnite, like I meant to go originally. Here we go. So for Fortnite, you need a Windows 7 at least. You need a 2.4 gigahertz processor, and you need 4 gigabytes of RAM and integrated graphics, which is nothing. Basically, any graphics card will do if you have a dedicated graphics card. This thing that I'm building, for example, with a couple of older parts, it has an i3 6th generation, 8 gigabytes of RAM, a 1050, which is a really old graphics card, but it's enough. That will play Fortnite. All I need is a motherboard for it, and I'll have spent like $200 on this computer, and it plays games. I'm gonna obviously resell it to somebody that needs it, but there you go. That's all you really need. That's worth a little bit more, but yeah, we can talk. We can talk about that in the future. Yeah.
Let me know if you need help.